Oh.
Hi friends, myself I am Yashwanth from class 7C Sentence Convent School, Pathapatnam.
Hi friends, myself Arun from I am studying in 6th standard A section in Sentence Convent School in Pathapatnam.
Today we will discuss about states and capitals of India. Do you know what is this state name? This is Jammu and Kashmir. The capital city of Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar and Jammu.
This is Himachal Pradesh. The capital city of Himachal Pradesh is Simla.
This is Punjab. The capital city of Punjab is Chandigarh.
This is Haryana. The capital city of Haryana is Chandigarh.
Dear friends, do you know that Chandigarh is the combined capital city of Punjab and Haryana? Next, this is Rajasthan. The capital city of Rajasthan is Jaipur.
This is Gujarat. The capital city of Gujarat is Gandhinagar.
This is Madhya Pradesh. The capital city of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal.
This is Maharashtra. The capital city of Maharashtra is Mumbai.
This is Goa. The capital city of Goa is Panaji.
This is Karnataka. The capital city of Karnataka is Bengaluru.
This is Kerala. The capital city of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram.
This is Tamil Nadu. The capital city of Tamil Nadu is Chennai.
This is Andhra Pradesh. The capital city of Andhra Pradesh is Amaravati.
This is Chandigarh. The capital city of Chandigarh is Raipur.
This is Telangana. The capital city of Telangana is Hyderabad.
This is Odisha. The capital city of Odisha is Bhubaneswar.
This is West Bengal. The capital city of West Bengal is Kolkata.
This is Jharkhand. The capital city of Jharkhand is Ranchi.
This is Bihar. The capital city of Bihar is Patna.
This is Uttar Pradesh. The capital city of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow.
This is Uttarakhand. The capital city of Uttarakhand is Dehradun.
This is Sikkim. The capital city of Sikkim is Gangtok.
This is Assam. The capital city of Assam is Dispur.
This is Arunachal Pradesh. The capital city of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar.
This is Nagaland. The capital city of Nagaland is Kohima.
This is Manipur. The capital city of Manipur is Imphal.
This is Mizoram. The capital city of Mizoram is Aizawl.
This is Tripura. The capital city of Tripura is Agartala.
This is Meghalaya. The capital city of Meghalaya is Shillong. This is Delhi. The capital city of Delhi is New Delhi. Finally, this is the information of Indian states and their capitals.